In the heart of the Polynesian islands, where the sea sparkled like jewels, lived a young girl named Moana. She was spirited and brave, always looking toward the horizon with a twinkle in her eye. Moana's village was vibrant with culture and tradition, yet there was a deep legend whispered through the palm leaves, a tale of a cursed island due to a stolen heart of the goddess Te Fiti. Moana's grandmother, Tala, served as the village storyteller and the keeper of ancient lore. She often shared the tale of the demigod Maui, who had removed Te Fiti's heart, bringing chaos to the world. Moana was captivated by these stories, feeling an unexplainable connection to the ocean. And as fate would have it, the ocean chose her. The crops on her island began to fail, and the fishermen returned empty-handed, prompting Moana's father to warn against venturing beyond the reef. However, Tala encouraged Moana to follow her destiny. On her deathbed, Tala handed Moana an ancient stone, Te Fiti's heart, and urged her granddaughter to take to the sea, find Maui, and restore balance. Driven by the determination to save her home and guided by her grandmother's spirit, Moana set sail on a quest that would lead her beyond the reef and across the vast ocean. Her heart pounded as she navigated through sunlit waves and stormy nights, learning to trust the sea and herself. Moana encountered Maui on a remote island. The legendary shapeshifter was trapped, deprived of his magical fishhook. After much banter and the eventual revelation of his ego-driven antics, Moana convinced Maui to help her restore Te Fiti's heart. The duo set off, facing enemies like the lava monster Te Ka, a fierce adversary intent on protecting the island's curse. Through moments of doubt and courage, Moana discovered her own strength and learned that the ocean was not only a resource, but a friend capable of guiding her. With Maui's fishhook restored and the heart in Moana's possession, they overcame Te Ka's wrath and arrived at Te Fiti's island. As dawn broke, Moana stepped bravely across the charred landscape, returning Te Fiti's heart. The island blossomed into life, transforming Te Ka back into her original serene goddess form. Moana realized the journey was about discovering one's own path and accepting help to complete it. Returning home, Moana embraced her role as leader of her people, guiding them with love and wisdom. Her story spread across the waves as a testament to courage and the seamless bond between humanity and nature.